Hi friends, hope you are all fine. Today I'm going to show you chicken liver masala. Here I have boiled chicken liver with little turmeric powder and salt to remove all the toxins from inside. Then I've chopped and kept onion, one large, few curry leaf and half a tomato, and I'll be adding a ginger garlic paste and making it with other masala. Follow me as you see it. Heat the oil. Add one dalchini or cinnamon bark, then curry leaf, then adding onion, little turmeric because I've already boiled it with turmeric, little chili, pepper freshly ground at home, little jeera, I'll saute this finely. Then I will add tomato, and after I finish with the tomato and onion, I'll be adding the liver and cooking it. I added the tomato and added the necessary salt. Now I'm going to add the liver. And then I'm going to close it and cook it for a while. That's it. An easy dish to be had at afternoon lunch or dinner. Hope you enjoy it. It has been cooked. Look at this, looking yummy and delicious. Now I'm going to serve it. That's it. Now you can enjoy the dish. Bye all.